Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul with StudPack. On our previous video, you saw that we sprayed our shelves and our doors. Actually installed the shelves this morning. They look and feel fantastic. I love that sprayer and that Alkyd paint. Yesterday, we also finished all the base and shoe. I caulked it all and filled all the nail holes this morning. It's ready for its final coat. But today we're going to start painting the ceilings. I've got my paint set up with a grid and a bucket and a roller with an extension pole. A lot of you guys in the comments have recommended a handle for these poles, but I have never seen those anywhere. So if you have a source for them or more information about those handles, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to know that kind of stuff. I also picked up a new cut-in bucket. That's at least what I call these. Goes on my left hand because I'm right-handed. Has a nice strap there for firm control. Got a liner inside. Just throw that away and you're left with a clean bucket. It's got the magnet there for the brush. I don't know if it's a gimmick. It looks pretty good. We're gonna give it a try.
We're gonna find out.
So I'm gonna be in here cutting in. Jordan's gonna be behind me with the roller. So let's get our paint ready and start putting color on these ceilings. Hey gang, it's a couple days later. We got the ceilings all done in this bathroom. 2 coats. It looks fantastic.
Yes, it does.
And remember, the crown's all done. We sanded the crown, deglossed it, and painted it. Did the same process on all the trim this morning. You saw us previously run all the base and the shoe, and everything was caulked, filled all the nail holes. So I got in here early this morning, and again, I sanded it, deglossed it, vacuumed it, and 1 coat of paint with my brush and some Alkyd paint. Came out great.
Yeah, we'll see if that's enough.
Yeah, I'm liking that Alkyd more and more. So that's drying right now. And over the weekend, we did some paint samples on the walls for the owners. We got 9 samples up here. Seems like a lot to me, but maybe that's normal in a project. I don't know. So these over here are the contenders, the final 3 contenders. The owners actually picked their favorite. And these are Benjamin Moore colors. We have Smoky Taupe, Coastal Fog, and Rockport Gray. Let us know which one is your favorite, because we're gonna put this on tomorrow. But right now, we're gonna go in the laundry room. They had a disaster here at this house about a year ago, and it's the main reason that we started working at this house. We fixed a lot of that, but there's one more room we have to fix. So come on in the laundry room and we'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, gang, I'm in the laundry room of this beautiful home that we've been working in, and they had a disaster in here about a year ago. On this whole wing, they had an open sewer line in the wall that was buried about 20 years ago from a previous renovation. And if you go back and look at our bathroom renovation in the early demo mode, we found an open sewer line there also under that tub deck, and that's where the mice and the rats were getting into the house. So we fixed all that. That other leak has been fixed, but what happened, they had a backup in the front yard, and it came out of that other pipe in the wall and flooded this half of the house with nasty sewage. It was terrible. All the floors had to be replaced. The drywall, everything's been repainted except for the laundry room. We've been waiting in the laundry room because the floor is finally in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay self-leveling underlayment in here, just like we did in the bathroom. I've already got my Mapai primer tee on the floor. It's dry and ready to go. And check out what else I got. We heard all your comments. Bought a spike roller. So we're gonna try this thing out. So why don't we get our water set up, all our underlayment, our drill, and get this thing poured.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, guys, that was kind of an abrupt end to our self-leveling underlayment video. We apologize for that. So what happened in the previous shot where you saw the water pouring on the GoPro, the waterproof GoPro didn't respond very well to that. And it actually broke on us, so we couldn't record. Jordan took it home that night, did an awesome job, got it working, so we're back. Here's the self-leveling underlayment. I used the spike roller. It was a game changer with this product. You really need to spend $35 and get one of those. We'll put a link in the description below for that roller. It did a great job. It blends the different pores together and it helps to break the surface tension on the product so it flows better. So on this floor, I didn't use the screws like I did in the bathroom, but I knew that this section right here in front of this cabinet was lower than over there. I could tell with my level. And there was a seam here in the concrete, actually a crack. So I put 2 bags right here in this smaller area, and then 2 bags over there. And that did a pretty good job. This is really flat, we're really happy with it. So why don't we show you the product we're using. It's a vinyl tile. They're 12 by 24, click lock. It's got a pad on the back. And you wanna show them the product name, Jordan?
Yeah, that's nice.
So there it is, it's Rejuvenation.
With an Aqua Shield core.
Cool. So we've actually already established our layout. So here's our chalk line we popped earlier, and it establishes our layout. We'll have a full row right here. We'll work our way back to this outside wall and then work our way towards the doorway. This wall is wavy, this wall is wavy. So we established this line square to that wall with a 3, 4, 5 triangle. It's an easy tip. You can look that up if you don't know what that is. But what do you say we go outside, set up that saw, and get this floor in?
Let's
bud?
do it, man. I think it'll go quick.
I'm ready. It's gonna be a game changer in here. Done. Look at that.
Hey.
Sweet.
Hey, man, look at this floor.
Final piece. Yeah, and true to the stud pack way, 1 tile left. So that looks amazing.
It looks really good. It's kind of got this concrete vibe.
Yep. And it's actually ready to go, but we do have to put the base and the shoe in here, so we're gonna do that right now. But before we do that, we have to finish off this cabinet. All that was here was some plywood, so I brought some Baltic birch. We're gonna cut it to fit, then run the base and shoe, and then we can paint this thing. I hope I have enough base, bud. After looking at this, I'm like, oh man.
Right, we're gonna have one tile left, but not enough base.
Yeah, I'll have this much base, or I'll be that much short.
And then we're gonna hop in that bathroom and
Yep,
what?
yeah, we had to come off our bathroom, finish this real quick while they were out of town, but they're back now, so we
Right.
want to get this done, and then we're gonna hop in that bathroom and start painting those walls.
Throw some paint on the walls.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
All right, we got the piece of plywood up on the side and the front of the cabinet. And this is a good tip. What we did, we connected the two first together so that this joint was nice and straight and square. And then we pushed it against this unsquare cabinet. So this will look nice. And then you can see right here, we'll just caulk right there.
Right.
And that'll be beautiful.
Hide the imperfections of the cabinet.
Right. So we were going to run base and shoe, but I don't have enough. So instead of doing half of it and coming back tomorrow and doing the other half, we'll just do it all tomorrow. I'll pick up some more base and shoe in the morning. And I also forgot the hole saw.
Nice.
And I also forgot the hole saw for this. We'll cut a nice round hole in the baseboard. So why don't we pack this up and go check out the bathroom, and we can start painting it. Get some color on the walls.
Okay.
And the cabinet doors came in, so we can show everybody those. They
Yeah,
look
let's go
great.
check those out, man.
Yep, it's a sweet update for that bathroom. So come on in the bathroom and we'll show you what happened yesterday. So I got in here and I put one coat of the Alkyd on this window. And yes, I did get it on the glass, but so did the previous painter. I knew I was gonna have to come back with a razor knife anyway, a razor blade, to get that paint off. So I just brought it down on the glass. That'll just be a few minutes to clean that up. So that looks great.
Yeah, you did a great job.
And speaking of looking great, why don't you turn around, Jordan, check out these new cabinet doors.
What, is there a mirror back? Oh, okay.
This really updates this bathroom. A local guy made these for us. We really like to support those local independent shops. These are beautiful. A maple frame with an MDF panel. And check out this soft close, man.
Dang, I didn't even hear it. That's
No.
feather clothes.
That's sweet.
That's a new level.
So he's working on the drawers right now. The drawers will have soft close hardware also. And then we'll paint all that. It'll really update the look of these cabinets. But speaking of painting, we want to get a coat of paint on these walls today. That's our goal. So why don't we get set up and start painting, bud?
Cool, man. Let's do it.
All right, I'm ready. Alrighty guys, that is one coat of color on the walls. It came out unbelievable. We used the Benjamin Moore Aura, and this paint was phenomenal as far as cutting in and coverage. It will get a second coat, but we'll do that tomorrow. There's a lot of details left on this bathroom. We can't wait to show you all of those. And we also can't wait to show you our new project, a kitchen / entertainer's remodel, I guess is what we're calling it. We've already started demo on that, so be sure you stay tuned for that series of videos.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. And we also have some big news, something we've been working hard on, something you've all been asking for. So be sure to stay tuned for that news. So if you like the video, be sure to smash that like button for us. Drop us a comment down below, ask a question. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you on the next one.
Yes, sir.